Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make beautiful cake toppers right from your home. You'll be amazed at how easy it is to add a personal touch to any celebration. We'll cover everything from choosing your design to the final assembly, ensuring your cake stands out. Get ready to unleash your creativity and craft unique decorations that truly reflect your style. Let's get started on making your next cake unforgettable. Before we begin crafting, let's gather our essential supplies. You'll want to have some sturdy cardstock, perhaps in a few different colors, and a reliable cutting machine for precise designs. Don't forget your favorite adhesive, like a strong glue stick or hot glue gun, to secure all your pieces. For that extra flair, consider adding glitter paper or even some adhesive vinyl. These materials are key to a professional-looking finish. Now for the fun part, crafting your topper. Start by designing your desired shape or text using a design program or find a free template online. Once your design is ready, use your cutting machine to precisely cut out all the individual elements from your chosen materials. Next, carefully layer and glue these pieces together. This layering technique adds depth and a professional, three-dimensional look to your custom creation. Take your time for the best results. To complete your cake topper, securely attach a small wooden dowel or paper straw to the back using strong adhesive. Make sure it's centered and firm enough to stand upright in your cake. Allow plenty of drying time for all the glue to set completely, ensuring your topper is robust and ready for display. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy crafting!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.